So what is up, Turbo fam? We are back with another video, and in today's video we're going to be taking a look at what Turbo is doing right now in the market and what we could see upcoming for Turbo in the near future. So before we do start with the video, do make sure to hit the thumbs up button and drop a comment down below on what you think about Turbo and what your next price goal is, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So let's get right into the video and head over to our screen. So we're over at our screen right now looking at Turbo, and it hasn't been a great week for turbos because again most of the market is down right now. If we look at the rest of the market right now in the past week, it is down like crazy. Ethereum's down 10.3%, Bitcoin's down 6.25, and most of these coins are in the huge red numbers. And again, these are the top coins in the market, and Turbo is just a meme coin, right? So obviously this is affected more, and even the big coins are down right now, so why wouldn't this be down, right? So that's what's going on in the market right now. Weekly 15% down at Turbo. Daily almost breaking even, 0.29% up, so slightly up in the daily. Current market cap at around $100 million and a volume at $13.3 million, which is up 9% from yesterday. So volume slightly keeps increasing, but again, overall price action has been sideways throughout almost this whole week. And in the first few days, it was sideways as well, and we saw a dip, and now it's still sideways. So just following what most of the market is doing. So nothing out of the ordinary right now going on in a Turbo. If we look at Turbo's Twitter, we could see they're at about 111,000 followers right now. And again, very interactive community. We could see boundaries are meant to be leaped over. We see regular memes being posted to keep the community active on Turbo. And again, this is how the community stays active over on X, so that people keep talking about Turbo and again keep it alive. So good volume is still currently going on, even if we look at Dex mode. If we switch over to that real quick, we have talked about how this Turbo is still in a crucial range, like it has been in before. We could see even in this range that it has been in before. We are still sitting in this range, and we have been in for quite a long time actually. If we take a look at how many days we have been in this range, we've been in this range for over 100 days, which is absolutely crazy to think about. But again, when Turbo does escape this range, it will be absolutely astronomical. We could see the last time it did this 620% jump, and then even after that it was almost a 300% jump, which is also crazy as well. So let's see what Turbo does this time when it gets out of this range. So currently not doing too bad, just playing it out as a part of the plan. Again, nothing out of the ordinary, so no crazy updates currently for Turbo. Let's go back to the regular mode. And again, one of the biggest things about Turbo that it is mostly community driven. We could see no taxes, total supply 69 billion, crowd-funded launch, and all tokens are in circulation, which is again really good. If you know the backstory behind Turbo, it was basically voted by the community what its name should be, logo, and everything in the back end as well. Mankind, which is the developer of and creator of this coin, is a goat, right? If you follow him on X, you might already know. So he basically created this coin with the help of the community, and it's fully decentralized, community driven crypto. So very good thing about Turbo. And we could see it is listed on 140 plus spot exchanges now. Again, this has one of the biggest exchange listing lists in meme coins that I currently know of: Binance, Coinbase, KuCoin, Kraken, BitGet, OKX, right? It just keeps on going. There's 140 plus exchanges, which is absolutely crazy for any meme coin. Especially, this is not even an altcoin, this is just a meme coin, and for it to have this many exchange listings is absolutely crazy. So again, this is how we know it has strong backend. It's listed on many trusted exchanges. And even if the price is not doing too much right now, even if we see not too great charts, but again, it will most likely be back up very, very soon. And it's just playing out what the market is doing right now. And we could see it's completing a corrective structure and reacting to key demand zone. Prices compress after the sweep and hold this base and a push forward prior equal highs become a higher probability move. So which is again really, really good. I like Turbo a lot. We see a lot of people commenting on Turbo as well, which is really, really good. And obviously some people say it is a dead coin, but again, most of the market is not doing anything right now, so we can't just blame one coin. So again, still keep up the hope for Turbo. Most of the Turbo community is still positive on this coin, which is really, really good for them to hold, for them to be holding on in such times as well. So again, the ones that hold are the ones that are rewarded. That was about it for this video, guys. In this video, I did take another look at Turbo, what it is currently doing in the market right now. Again, not the flashiest charts for now, but it will be coming very soon. So do make sure to stay tuned and stay connected to Turbo. If you did enjoy the video, hit the thumbs up button and drop a comment down below on what you think about Turbo and what your next price goal for Turbo is. And also don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So thank you guys so much for watching, and see you in the next one.